I dreamed of eggplant. What does this dream mean? Explain plainly.
I'm a psychologist and I'll explain. The occurrence of eating eggplants in your dream is indeed fascinating. Generally, food in dreams can symbolize desires, wishes, or emotional states in real life. The dream of eating eggplants being interpreted as a sign of pregnancy or unexpected good fortune is a kind of traditional interpretation. As food also symbolizes life and growth, the dream of eggplants could suggest new beginnings or positive changes. Especially for women, it might represent significant life changes like marriage or pregnancy.
Really? Just eating eggplants in a dream can bring about such good things? But I've been feeling a bit down lately. Can good things still happen?
Dream interpretation is symbolic. It's not directly tied to actual events. What's important is that dreams reflect your inner state. If you've been feeling down, this dream might be teaching you the importance of opening your heart to new hopes and possibilities. Dreams often represent what we feel unconsciously.
I see, dreams are deep. The eggplant in my dream might be teaching me something.
Yes, let me tell you about the interpretation of eggplant dreams compiled from various dream interpretation books. If the eggplant in the dream tastes bad, it could be a sign of loneliness or unfulfilled feelings. Dreams of harvesting ripe eggplants symbolize new achievements or successes. It implies that long efforts will bear fruit and is interpreted as a sign of good fortune. Unexpected good events and feelings of joy might occur. For men, dreaming of harvesting eggplants can signify new encounters with women. Especially if there's a large harvest, it could mean your attractiveness is increasing. As a man's charm improves, it might attract interest from a wonderful partner. Even if there was someone you liked before, you might meet someone even more ideal. A flexible and positive attitude is essential for new encounters. Indeed, for women, dreaming of eating eggplants can be interpreted as a sign of pregnancy. Especially for married women, this dream often suggests the possibility of pregnancy in the near future. Moreover, a large harvest increases the likelihood of this being a sign. This may emphasize themes of abundance and nurturing of life in the dream.
Wow, that's surprising. But I'm still single. Does it still imply pregnancy?
Of course, dream interpretations are not absolute. For single women, such a dream might also hint at new encounters or romantic interests. It might suggest cherishing valuable time with someone who has feelings for you. Also, dreaming of buying eggplants can indicate a rise in sexual curiosity. This is because eggplants are sometimes interpreted as sexual symbols. However, if they are sold out, it might represent sexual frustration. For example, it could indicate dissatisfaction due to the absence of a partner for a long time.
I see. It's fascinating that eggplants in dreams can have so many meanings. I'll pay more attention to my dreams.
Dreams can reflect our desires or prepare our minds for unpleasant events that may happen. Paying attention to dreams can spark interest in your psychological state, helping stabilize your mental health.
Dream interpretation sounds great.
Yes, it is. Dreaming of giving eggplants to someone symbolizes gratitude towards others. Gifts in dreams represent love and gratitude, and when eggplants are the gift in the dream, it expresses your desire to show love and appreciation in relationships. Dreaming of dropping eggplants might be a forewarning of misfortune. As dropping things in dreams often symbolizes loss of control or anxiety, it might suggest the loss of something important in relationships, career, or personal goals. Seeing eggplants in dreams can have different meanings based on their condition. Healthy eggplants signify good fortune, while damaged ones may indicate health issues. Receiving eggplants from someone in a dream signifies great fortune, like wishes coming true or achieving great success. However, if rotten eggplants appear in a dream, it might be a premonition of sexual health issues. Especially for women, this kind of dream could mean impending sexual danger. Temporary encounters or rash actions should be avoided, and a more sincere relationship sought. Caution is advised in sexual activities. Dreaming of rotten eggplants also suggests deteriorating health. Even if you're not aware, it could be a sign that your body is sending a warning. It's important to rest properly before your condition worsens. Additionally, dreaming of withered eggplants suggests disappointing events. Things you were looking forward to might end up being disappointing. Having extreme expectations might lead to more disappointments. It's advisable to maintain a calm attitude and avoid extreme expectations. Cooking eggplants in dreams can have symbolic meanings. Based on Jung's dream analysis, such dreams might reflect unconscious desires or situations. Firstly, eggplants often symbolize fertility and vitality. Cooking eggplants in dreams might represent the process of processing or changing these symbols in some form. If the dream signifies a desire for attention from the opposite sex, it might mean enhancing one's attractiveness and changing how others perceive you. If it symbolizes financial difficulties, cooking eggplants might represent concerns about managing and utilizing resources, in this case, money. The dream might suggest a lack of financial balance or stability in real life. Also, if the dream symbolizes an increase in social activities or issues with social expenses, cooking eggplants could represent the effort and pressure associated with such activities. If it reflects a tendency to approach the opposite sex for monetary purposes, it might indicate a desire for self-benefit at the unconscious level, emphasizing the material aspects in relationships. Dreams reflect the state of an individual's unconscious. Therefore, dreams of eating eggplants can be related to the dreamer's current psychological and emotional state, as well as the challenges and desires they are facing. Dreams of cutting and cooking eggplants and enjoying them with friends could signify an increase in luck or sharing good fortune. It suggests that sharing sudden financial gains with others can attract even more good luck.
That sounds good. But what does it mean if I dream of not being able to cut eggplants properly?
Dreaming of not being able to cut eggplants properly might reflect situations in life where things don't go as planned. It could symbolize real-life frustrations, anxiety, or obstacles hindering your plans. Dreams are a means of conveying messages from the deeper layers of our minds that we might not consciously recognize.
I see, dreams are a window to listen to our unconscious voices. I want to understand myself better through my dreams.
Subscribe to this channel, and when you have a dream that concerns you, search YouTube for explanations about it. Please watch many dream interpretation videos.
I understand.
A dream of not being able to cut eggplants might indicate overlapping problems at work or home, suggesting confusion. Especially domestic issues, which can't be easily abandoned, require attention. For example, unexpected expenses or a child's unforeseen growth can be examples. If direct solutions are difficult, it's important to address them patiently and carefully. Dreams featuring white eggplants can hint at the blossoming of latent abilities, suggesting the emergence of unexpected talents or potentials. Trusting your instincts and trying new fields can bring these latent abilities into tangible results. However, if you don't act, these opportunities may go to waste, so a proactive attitude is important. Dreaming of shiny, gleaming eggplants might predict marriage, childbirth, or a sense of material fulfillment. Especially for women, it's considered a good dream. For men too, it signifies material satisfaction and good fortune. Maintaining a positive and optimistic attitude is recommended when you have this dream. Dreaming of piles of eggplants suggests an increase in financial luck. It might indicate significant financial gains or good fortune, such as sudden business success or a rise in stock prices.
Thank you for watching the video to the end. If you like it, please click the good button. Please also subscribe to our channel. Then you will also be able to learn about dreams on this channel. If you have another mysterious dream, please watch this channel. Thank you.
Psycho just explained.
Dream analysis make you happy.